These are 4 easy methods to achieve a gel manicure at home. Up first, ManiMe sells these custom gel nail stickers for about $25. You start by picking the design that you like, then take a variety of photos of your hand for the custom sizing process. You wash and dry your nails, use the prep pad to clean your nails, then stick the correct shape on each nail. The stickers will be a bit longer than your nail, so you can fold the sticker over and clip or file down the excess. It's meant to last about 2 weeks, like an average gel manicure. To remove, either peel it right off or dip your fingers in warm water for a few minutes before peeling. Another gel manicure sticker option is from the brand Ohora. The brand also creates stickers for gel pedicures. The biggest difference here is that you need a UV lamp to cure these stickers. Once you've cleaned your nails with the prep pads, apply the stickers to your nails and firmly press down. Clip or file off the excess strip, then cure about 3 times. Kiara Sky sells a jelly tips kit that helps you achieve gel extensions at home. The kit comes with prep, primer, builder, top coat, gel tips, and a gel curing lamp. You select the appropriate tips for your nail size, then start prepping your nails. File the inside of the tips to roughen them before applying them to your nails. The builder gel helps the nails last for about 3 weeks. Apply each tip firmly and cure 1 nail at a time. Once you place the extensions, finalize your nails with a gel manicure color. Enova Cosmetics sells a portable gel manicure pen. You start with clean, buffed nails, then apply 1 layer of nail polish from the tube. This formula has a base coat, color, and top coat in one. Cure your nails for 1 minute, apply a second coat, and cure one last time.